Welcome to eTollfree's Cloud Phone System tutorial on conference controls. Managing conference calls can sometimes feel like juggling too many balls, but with the Cloud Phone System's conference controls, you can handle your meetings with ease and efficiency. These controls provide you with the ability to manage the participants, control the flow of the conference, and customize the conference settings to suit your needs. To clarify, conference controls are specifically designed for managing conferences, not the conference center, which has its own set of configurations. Let's explore some key functionalities of conference controls. Mute, unmute participants. Control the audio input of the participants. Lock, unlock. Prevent new participants from joining the conference. Volume controls. Adjust the volume levels of the participants. Deaf-undeaf participants. Control the audio output of the participants. Energy controls. Manage the energy level of the participants, affecting how loud they need to speak to be heard. With these tools, managing your conference calls becomes a seamless and efficient process, ensuring you maintain control and clarity during your meetings. Head on to our next video for the step-by-step process on how to use these conference controls in the Cloud Phone System. Our customer support team is ready to assist you Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Want to learn more about our services? Book a 15-minute sales discovery call. Need technical help? Head over to our one-on-one 15-minute support video call. We look forward to hear from you. Thank you for choosing eTollfree.